Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, I'm still busy on the BMW R1200GS from 2008. And today I'm gonna show you how to mount a wireless charging phone charger. And this one is from Chaigi. It's a really good one. I mounted the same one on my son, his S1000R, and with his previous phone holder wireless charger. By the end of the day, his phone had a charge of about 50%, something like that. But with the Chaigi, his phone was at the end of the day 100% charged. Oh, and this is a really good one. It's not the cheapest, but it's a really good one. Come on over and we're gonna unpack this thing. This is the charger, guys. Come. So, this is how it looks. A wonderful phone. This looks really great. The mount is aluminium in shock absorbing rubbers. So it's good. You have to do it like this. See, this is all aluminium, not plastic. As you often see, this is plastic. And this is aluminium too. Let's move on. Wonderful. Then, guys, we love it. Tools. I really love tools. These are all the tools you need. Allen key, wonderful wrench and another wrench. And of course we have the cable, and this connector goes into here. Blue, yeah, we already have one. There are two arrows, and you can attach them to it like this. Click. All waterproof, tight. These are the mounting when you have a fat bar or a thin bar, and then we have the mount. Guys, this mount is really good looking. Two tiny Allen screws, already one in here, so you have three, all aluminium, great, and of course the wonderful manual. Read the fucking manual. This mount has over here an input, well, actually it's an output, nicely covered with a rubber cap, and we have two cables with it. One, two. Suppose you have a phone that has no wireless charging. Well, no problem at all. Watch. We got two cables. One end goes in here, and this one is the connector for the older version iPhone, great, with a rubber cap. And this one goes in here also, and it has the USB-C port and it says 100 watts. Wow, as I said, it's not cheap, but it's absolute great. See, looks great. I like that carbon inlay. So now we're gonna mount it on the bike. Come on over. The first thing we're gonna do is take this one off. It's the quad lock. Okay. Now, it looks nice, but not what we want. It was easy. Now guys, let's see. There are several ways to mount it. Like this or like this. Take this one off, like it. Over here, so we have a table. This one. And then this screw out. So we're gonna take this one. We have several ways to screw it. Screw it like this, or on top of it, or maybe even on this side. Mwah, mwah. Let's see, this. Okay. For now, like this. Then let's see, guys. This. Okay. Over here. Looks nice. Okay. Then we take spacer rings. I think this one will do it. I think, Guys, it also has this ridge, and that has to fall into that slit. Very clever. This one off. Now let's see, guys. This. Okay, now it falls perfect in there. Take the bolt and beautiful. Okay, there it goes. Now let's see, put it in the middle. That's over here. This one out of the way for this moment, so I can put it nicely in the middle. Something like this for now. Okay. This one back in place. Then okay, these they come over here, and well, you could put one on the bottom side, but do that. That's careful not to drop it. So, there it goes. Okay, tight enough for now, because now we take this tool and unscrew, but should be looser with this one. But guys, Yes. Better take a decent wrench. Sorry, but guys, this is not normal. Screw it out. Give it a go like this. Absolutely unbelievable tight. So, but now, guys, this is unbelievable tight. I have to unmount these. Come on over. Torx 10. So, loosen this one. Otherwise I can't put it in my vise. They put some Loctite onto it, which is good. Okay, then this one back in. Okay, now we're going to put it carefully in my vise and then release this a bit, as it's unbelievable tight. No, you need to rotate it, but it's so freaking damn tight. Over there, yes, this one over there. It's raining outside. Sure, you can hear it. So, not too terrible tight. So it's in like this. Yes, great. Then okay, and then oh my God, how's that possible? Yes, so guys, was at least some sort of yes. Guys, do you think I could ever loosen this with this tool? Nope, I don't think so. But I didn't scratch it. It looks good, and we're good to go. Put this out. Again. Okay. Before we mount it, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of Loctite medium strength on those 4 bolts. Just a tiny bit. That's easy. Up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, up. Yes, this one. Way. Okay, guys. Then be sure to mount this one onto there, pointing to that direction. Easy. Then screw them in and okay. Okay. Then tighten, not too tight. So. Tight, 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 and tight. Loctite will hold it in place. This one goes back into there for now. Oop. Yes. And now we can mount it and tight it. That was not normal, but let's move on. Okay, then let's move on. We're gonna screw this one in here. For this moment, we're gonna tie it with this wonderful. We're gonna see, now we can easily rotate it. Okay. And take your phone. Oh, still needs to be tighter. Okay. Nog een beetje vaster. Like this. Okay. Now let's see if it's perfectly okay. Then take your phone and push it in. Okay, it's a bit out of whack, so yes, perfect. So this is how I mounted it. Maybe my friend wanted horizontal, I'm not sure, but then I can mount it horizontal. That's easy as hell. You still can see your, it's about this, your speedometer, your RPM meter. This is a bit tricky, I think, but we can also mount it up to there. But it's just what he wants.